delicious. Are you eating? Wow.
Oh my goodness. Are you going to eat all that?
Yes. Come on.
Oh, can you get in your mouth? Wow.
Because of her favorite.
Right, so today we're going to make a quick little salmon Benedict, eggs Benedict. So we've got a couple of egg yolks here. I'm just going to zip these over on a water bath. Just going to whisk these. And just cook the eggs a bit. Don't overheat your eggs. You don't want them too hot. So we're going to slowly warm that through. In the microwave, I've got some butter. Just add a little bit at a time. Come on. Right. Keep whisking. And then add a little bit of vinegar. Normally you reduce this vinegar down so it's more strong and pungent in flavour. And we're just going to do a quick version today. Right, you put the butter whole through. Yes. Come on. Yep. 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 As the sauce gets bigger, you can add the butter more faster. Add a bit more vinegar. Yeah, a bit of salt, a bit more salt. Right, you pour the butter, yep. Yep. Not too much of the white stuff. The white stuff is the milk in the butter. So that'll make the sauce runny again. So try and grab, if it's too thick, then you add more water content, which is the white milk in the butter, but we just want just butter for now. Yep, that should be enough for sauce for 2 portions, I reckon. Good. What do you reckon?
Yum.
Right. Put this away. Come on. Alright, may I have the vinegar back, sorry. So we've got a hot water going here. We're just going to get that boiling. Just going to put in some vinegar. This will just help the eggs stay together. You want it gently boiling, so you don't want it too. You don't want the heat too high. I'm just going to turn this down. See how the bubbles are just coming up? That's what we want. So, what I like to do is just grab a couple of little dishes or a couple of cups or something. And put your eggs into the cup. One into each cup, like so. Alright, so the water's there. It's about, we want to probably a little bit more bubbly, just like that. And give it a stir. Stir. Like so. Turn it up a little bit. How much are you cutting? We're only doing one portion, right?
Yeah, 2 slices.
Okay. And then just drop your eggs in. Like so. Right, so you'll toast the bread. So we've got a plate here to serve on. Lovely. So you can either have this with bacon.
Some.
Today we're going to have it with smoked salmon, just because it's my assistant's favourite. Next shelf down, I think. But don't let this boil too high. Just control it. Right, so here we go, we've got some smoked salmon, which you can get from any supermarket. Just cold smoked sliced. That's all we're going to do. So once the toast is done, just give these a little, just give the pot a little bit of a stir, and just this will help lift the egg so it doesn't get stuck on the bottom of the pot. So one's come loose here, that's fine. Now it's just a case of cooking the egg. You want them sort of 2 parts cooked, so it's nice and soft and gooey in the middle. Right, so do you want your toast, butter your toast? So you can do this on, you know, English muffins, or in this case we're just going to use a couple of pieces of nicely sliced bread. Paper towel. Just test your egg. It's probably a bit too soft, so just a little bit longer. Almost there. Turn these off. Right, so with your salmon, that's all there is, 2 slices. Alright, okay. So salmon's not cheap. You probably could have used just one slice of bread. We'll just use 1 slice of bread. Just put it on like so. nice away. Right, now the eggs. What we do with the eggs? Just see if they're, so you want them soft, cooked but soft. So we're just gonna pull the first one out. See, that's perfect. It's your first egg. Paper towel, sorry, to absorb some of the water. Otherwise it'll make the toast go soggy. So then we're just going to leave it here for a minute or two to steam dry. It looks fantastic. Right, now then just remove your eggs like so. One there. Another one. Okay. And then I'd still like to put a little bit of red pepper on those eggs. A little bit of sea salt. Boom, boom. And then finally, but not last, now to keep your sauce somewhere warm, don't let it go too hot or don't let it go too cold. Otherwise, if it's too hot, it will split, and when it's too cold, it'll just sit hard. Okay, and then just pour your sauce over the top like so. It's up to you how much sauce you want to put on there. I think that's enough. Right, my assistant's licking her lips already, but she'll just have to wait until we take a few photos. So there we have it, salmon eggs Benedict. Oh, there's more salmon.